your hair is breaking continuously, you are not seeing growth, you are not retaining the length you have gotten in your protective style, this might just be as a result of not deep conditioning your hair whenever you shampoo. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the proper way to deep condition your hair, what you should do, the benefits of deep conditioning, and also why you should consider your hair porosity before choosing a deep conditioner. Now, my hair is freshly washed, it is clean, and the next thing I have to do is deep condition. So immediately after you shampoo your hair, what you would want to do is to deep condition your hair. And I'm using the deep conditioner from TGIN. Is a Honey Max deep conditioner. As a low porosity girly, one of the things I do is that I go for deep conditioners that has emulsions such as honey and serum. They can basically draw in moisture into my hair. This is what you also want to look out for. First thing you do when you want to start deep conditioning your hair is for you to work in sections. So you want to part your hair into tiny sections so that you're ensuring that every single product you're applying your hair is getting into the strands of your hair. You do not want to jumble up everything together. As you can see in this video, I divided my hair into mini sections and I'm taking them one after the other to apply. This is just to ensure that every single strand of my hair has this product on it. Benefit of deep conditioning, why you should not skip deep conditioning whenever you shampoo your hair, is the fact that it helps your hair to retain moisture. It helps your hair to lock in that moisture. We all know that moisture is one of the things that our hair needs in order for it to thrive on a regular basis. Now, because you are deep conditioning your hair, it helps to open the follicles of your hair. It helps to open your cuticles, basically. And when they are open, you'll be able to retain the moisture, absorb every single product that you're applying on your hair. This is one of the great benefits of deep conditioning. Another reason why you should deep condition your hair is because it helps your hair to be soft. So when you have applied a deep conditioner with a heat cap, it basically helps you to be able to manage your hair. If you're a fan of deep conditioning, or if you have ever deep conditioned your hair before, you attest to the fact that when you take down that heat from your hair will be so soft, your hair will be so manageable. Basically, you will not be having tangles. And when you're not having tangles, you know that you can be able to walk through your hair. That's one great benefit of deep conditioner. Now, when you apply your deep conditioner on your hair, you want to take your time. You want to be gentle. You do not want to be in a rush. To ensure that you apply every single place, especially at the back of your hair. For me, while I was doing this video, I did not have any mirror, so I couldn't necessarily see the back of my hair. But I tried as much as possible to ensure that every single product gets into all the parts of my hair.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love that flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is Christ, I still felt.
After generously applying a deep conditioner on your hair, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this heat cap. Guys, I bought this heat cap from Temu. It's really affordable, and for the price point and the job that this heat cap does, I feel the price it is still. Funny enough, I did not get this heat cap even up to £10. I can't remember the exact amount I bought it, but this heat cap is a steal. You would need to get it. You can actually cover your hair with just shower cap, but I prefer that this heat cap does a better job, in my opinion. So at first, I wanted to just cover the heat cap directly, and I thought, why don't I use my shower cap first and then put it on top? So at this point, I'm just ensuring that every strand of my hair is properly covered with this shower cap, just to ensure that the heat touches every single part of my hair. And now I'm going in with my heat cap. Guys, as I was saying, this heat cap is very good. It has this control where you can basically make it either hot, medium, or low, however you want it. I just got it, so I'm just trying to unwrap it at this point. Wherever you see this heat cap, if your money allows you, if your finances allows you, I would say you should buy it. And I'm pretty sure in a lot of places it's not expensive. This heat cap will make the job of conditioning so easy for you. It is far better than just using your shower cap to just cover your hair. That works, but this works better because trust me, you're talking to someone that has done the two of them. I've tried to deep condition my hair previously with just the shower cap. It worked, but not so well like this one. This one really worked, and I really loved it. It's so comfortable. It's not tight on the ears. It's not tight on the hair. It doesn't cause any tension. It feels so light, so light. It doesn't even feel like you're doing anything on your hair or you have something on your hair. Trust me. So this is me just relaxing. I'm just trying to vibe to a song while I wait for my hair to marinate inside this heat cap. At this point, it was beginning to get hot. Not so hot on the ears, like so comfortably hot, if there's any word like that, for want of better description. But what I'm just trying to say is that I was basically enjoying the process. I think I left this on my hair for about 30 minutes. You can actually do less than that. You can do more than that. In this case, I actually did 30 minutes because I'm just trying to ensure that I get all the benefits from this heat cap and also from my deep conditioner. Yes, that is what I'm just doing. So right now, I'm just vibing to song. Guys, do not ever shampoo your hair without deep conditioning. When you start deep conditioning your hair, you're going to come back to this channel and thank me later. And funny enough, at some point, when I had put in the heat cap, I'm like, no, I have to remove the shower cap because I need that heat directly on my hair. I removed the shower cap and I used only the heat cap on my hair. That is why now I'm taking it down. You can see that after I removed the heat cap, the shower cap is no longer on my hair. So just to point that out, I actually took out the heat cap. I actually took out the shower cap and put it just the heat cap. Guys, my hair feels so soft. I love this process. This is the best way to deep condition your hair. This is the right way to do it. Can you see how sleek my hair is? My hair feels so soft. It feels like I have flaxseed gel on my hair or maybe okra gel. My hair is so soft. Like my hair feels like freshly baked bread right now. It's so soft. Have you been deep conditioning your hair regularly? How do you do it? I would like to know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Until I see you in my next one. Bye.